will help you to add functionality. So we search for, if my client asks for map, I search for that using the keyword. You see that we have WP Google Maps, you have Google Maps Easy. My best suggestion for you is look at the ratings, guys. Over here, anything which is about 3 star is generally a good plugin. Good plugin. So just add one which has more than 3 stars. Maybe I'll just use this. Yeah, maybe I'll use this one. But no, it only has 12 ratings. This has 38. This has 541. So I'll go with this. Yeah.
About 30.
About 3 rating over here, 3 stars. Yeah. I'll install. I'll click on install now. When I click on install now, it will go ahead and install, guys. As you see, it says downloading the plugin. Nadita Talri, yes sir, Raju, Nadita.
Yes sir.
Because this is very simple, guys. Button clicking. That is what I am showing you.
Sir, one question is sir. ಈಗ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ತೆಗೆಸಿದ ವ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಮನೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ವ್ಯಾಂಪ್
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್
Wordpress, yeah.
ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
I'll give you the link for the videos, guys. You can look at that. Same whatever I have shown, it will be shown there.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ. Adding a post, deleting a post. You can look at it. If you don't understand, I'll certainly do it. Guys, it says error. So what we can do is we can go ahead and redo that. So add plugin. Yeah, because it is exceeded. TTL value exceeded for that. So let's try that again. So inamata na ಏನು ಅಂದಿಲ್ಲ. That's fine. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಾದ್ರೆ it's okay. Learning is learning. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So I'll go ahead and install it again. It's okay. Learning is learning. Others ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೇನೆ. Whatever is relevant, I usually answer. If it is irrelevant questions, luckily you haven't ever asked irrelevant questions. So that is nice.
It is not standard to ask you. It is not good for yourself.
Now you say it is installing.
Yes, sir.
So it's going on. So it says successfully installed. So I need to activate the plugin, or you can go over here to plugins and then click on that plugin. Click on activate. Yeah. So there is that WP Google Maps. So once you activate the plugin, it won't be by default shown on the web page. Most of them, at least, they don't show up on the web page. So if I go over here, nothing will be changed basically as of now. So if you see, nothing changed on the page. You need to assign the roles for them. You need to assign where you want to show them up. But before that, you need to go to settings. Usually what happens is, if you install a plugin over here, guys, it will show up in tools or settings. So we'll look at it. Settings, it's not there. No, it has come over here, see, as a separate thing. Otherwise it will come under tools or settings, or it will create a separate thing like this. Mostly in there. Below these itself you will see it. Yeah. So I click on maps. Maybe you will have to add your API key for your Google Maps. You need to select what type of map you want. Polylines, maybe I want that. So let's see, we can go ahead and customize this. How did you find about us? Yeah, let's say this other doesn't matter. So over here, this is the basic page. So there are no customizations. You can add, go to settings. Are we at settings, guys? Yeah, no, we were not. Now as you can see, you can customize things like this. So info window, click, open by hover. I want, whenever a user hovers his mouse over some of the info window, I want it to pop up, something like that. Marker listing. So we can actually add the marks over here. Every theme is different. Every plugin is different. You can go ahead and add your things, and but you get the idea, right? What it does.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basically, it will add something that is not there in WordPress. It will add. Then you will go to places like your maybe this was not a very good example, guys, but I'll try to find a different one plugin as well. We'll see at that. See how we can add that. Do you see this? It has come in widgets as of now. So if I just drag it on top over here, the map will be there.
Save model. Save model.
You assign the layout for it basically. Do you see that? Maps is not there by default because we added a plugin for it. It increased the functionality. So next one, maybe you wanted something else. I'll try doing that as well. So let's go ahead and go to plugins. Add new, I'll say again. So after add new, maybe just say something, guys. End one word. Just give me a word.
Games.
What?
Games.
Games. Okay. It will come up. Apps also will come up. There are literally like 10 lakh plugins for WordPress.
Now add button design ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
Yes.
ನಮ್ದು ಸೈಟ್ ನ modification
ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. You can also write plugins. Plugin developers are there. Companies will also hire you for that.
ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋದು?
PHP. PHP, HTML, CSS. Yes. So if you HTML, CSS, PHP, all the languages. So maybe I want this game. So just because this is a demo, I'm just adding it.
Yes.
So I'm installing something called as game dev codes. So now it is installing. I'll have to activate it. It looks like a very small plugin. It will not make a menu like this over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hopefully. No. Even that won't happen actually. It won't directly go to the main page. So now it might be in the settings or tools or somewhere here it will show up. Or not in user. Yeah, it is activated actually. No. You have to again assign it. If you don't find anything over here, that usually means that plugin does not have any settings at all. So we'll look if it is already a part of this widgets. So appearance, I'll go to widgets, and then do you see something, guys? What was the name of that?
Games is not see
It should actually come somewhere here. Not here, guys. But yeah, guys, I don't know where it has come up, but plugins will usually come. We'll try and add one more. I'll show you. It will usually be here, or it will be on the right hand side, so it shouldn't be a problem. One minute. Maybe let's look at one popular plugin. Backup is not there in WordPress. We'll look at backup, which is a good thing. So it will make sure that the regular backups are done and saved onto your database. So this is a very good one. So let's just assume that I do backup that. I'm pretty sure that will I open a menu item over here on the left hand side, backup, because you need to configure all the details. You need to configure at least some details for backup. Yeah, I'll activate. Yeah. Do you see again it has come over here as I told you.
Yes, sir.
It will come as a item. It's not a part of users, guys. Don't get confused with it. Users is a different entity. This is different. It will either open an item over here or just search by name in tools or settings. I believe it should show up there as well. Tools, I believe, not mostly settings. I think in tools it will show up at times.
Sir, games actually ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು
I think it doesn't have any settings, nor I know how to configure it, very frankly, because I have never used it. So as you can see over here, we can do the backup. There are settings for this. You can configure, right, how frequently, 10 seconds, where it should store. It would store here, things like that. Yeah, and then send anonymous statistics. You can turn it on or off. As you can see, this is backup. So ಹಿಂಗ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಗಿನ್ಸ್.
ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಥೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
If you want to delete them, you need to deactivate and then delete them, guys. Otherwise, they won't let you delete. So, ನೋಡ್ರಿ backup guard I want to delete. Let's say I'll do that. I want to delete the game dev codes, possibly. I'll do that. It's mostly like that. So you were asking how the plugins are coded. I'll just show you a very small brief. Maybe let's see how this is coded. Okay, we'll go to editor. Yeah. So what is the one we are looking at? As of now, we are looking at a plugin called as hello.php. Hello Dolly. So look how this is coded. This is pure PHP. If you look at it, function hello Dolly lyrics. So this is pure PHP, right? This is function
Yes,
PHP, and this is what lyrics is equals to hello Dolly. This is what a variable. This is a variable. This
pure
is
PHP ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
this is purely PHP. See, function hello Dolly.
Then
Yeah.
CSS I think.
Yeah, style CSS is there. So you can code it like that.
The CSS directly ನಾವು PHP ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
I showed that. That I didn't show.
You should.
I'll show you guys. Sorry, if I haven't showed, I'll show you how to do. Before I go today, I'll show you that as well. It's as small as adding a ID tag to your PHP
So
wherever you send
ID.
the HTML ID or class. That's it. So this is how you code things. Plugins. You can write your own. Users. We'll go to users, guys. You can add, manage, delete, deactivate, activate, disable users over here. So let's see how we add a new user. We click on that add button. So you will give it a name. So maybe
User means update your password or
yes, you can do everything.
you set the website password.
Anything.
So to open a website, we need to put the password.
No, this is the user profile. For example, if this is your name, this is your email address, this is your first, this is your last.
We can apply
If you have, yes,
like that.
yes. Show password. So this is the default password. So I'll say pass1. Yeah, and then confirm the password. Add new user. The user is a subscriber. He can only read. If you want to give more access, you can go ahead and edit the user. For example, Tom is there over here. I want to edit his. I want to promote him as an administrator. I'll go to edit. I'll go over here. I'll change the role from subscriber. Contributors can write articles on WordPress. Write and delete. Authors can write and delete again. Editors can only edit, they can't delete. Administrators, as you know, we are administrator as of now, we can do everything and anything. Yeah. So if you want to promote someone as administrator, you can do it. You can change his color, so on and so forth. Update user. That is how you update the details for the users. So your own profile, if you want to customize the administrator profile, how your administrative name appears, what are the links, what are the time format, you can all customize that in your profile. So for example, I wanted this theme. As of now, as you see, we have dark theme over here, right?
Yes.
We'll use a sunrise theme for me.
Marble.
You can set it for other users as well. So enable keyboard shortcuts. Yes, I want. So if you want to learn more, go to that link. It will show you the keyboard shortcuts for WordPress. This is where you will find all the details about themes.
Yes.
Yeah. Advanced topics. Yeah, advanced topics. This is where you will see how to manage plugins, templates, importing content, Ajax. Many things you can check. Certainly, yes. So that is there. I want to add a name for myself. So I want to say maybe something. Mary Jane, M Jane. Display as M Jane. As you can see, we can do a lot of customization over here. We can add the bibliographic information.
Sir, application form sir. So बिल्कुल ऐसे ना मैसेज बರುತ್ತೆ सर. Your email ID, your password is this something. ಅದು ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? PHP. PHP ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
PHP sendmail function is there, you can use it.
Sorry sir.
Sendmail.
Sendmail.
It is just username, password, mail to, and then SMTP server name, SMTP password over. Very simple function.
PHP
Sendmail.
HTML ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
I don't think so. Because it's a server function when you are sending a mail.
Sir, adno ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah, I'll show it. I'll show you the code you can learn.
Later sir.
Very easy code. I'll show you. You can learn from it.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಲ್ರಿ. ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಲಗೂನ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆತಿದ್ರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಡೀತದೆ ಸರ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌನ್ರಿ.
ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಲೋಗೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋಗೋ
ಇಲ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇನು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ವ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಆಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ಸೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಜಿ ಅಂತ
ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರೀ. ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾಜುಯಿಂದ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ತತಿ ನೋಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆನ್ ವೇರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಯಾಕ ಬಂತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಐತಿ.
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್